Now for the granddaddy.
Alright, so when the vinegar and baking soda mix together, they produce carbon dioxide gas. The gas creates bubbles in the vinegar and the liquid soap. And the foamy, messy mixture expands and forces itself out of the top of the bottle.
Whoa.
Alright, I'll hold this and you pour it in there. Pour it in. There it goes! It's a volcano!
Ah! Cool!
You got a volcano, Leo!
It's exploding!
It's erupting! Mount Leo is erupting.
I can't believe I just made a volcano. Dad, it's Mount St. Helens was erupting.
Oh, look at all that lava coming out.
What's this?
Sure erupted fast, didn't it?
That is soaking into the tray, right?
No, the tray's made of metal.
What's happening to the rest of it then?
What do you mean?
Why is it going lower?
Well, it's just liquid. Right? Most of it was the bubbles, because that was all the carbon dioxide gas foaming the vinegar and the soap. But once the carbon dioxide gas bubbles pop, then you just have the liquid left over. Still some lava coming out.
Just a teeny bit. Can we make another volcano?
That's what it looked like though, didn't it? You remember what this part of the volcano is called?
The cone.
Right.
When is it going to go all the way up?
I think it's done coming up. I think most of the carbon dioxide gas has been expended.
What do I do with it? Oh yeah. What do we do with the rest? It's in there.
Careful, that's hot lava.
I'm gonna touch it.
Don't touch it! It's hot!
That actually scared me.
I use the...
Mom, touch the hot lava.
Is it going to burn me?
Yep.
Well, I don't want to touch it then.
Just touch it. Touch it. Touch it.
No way.
Then I'm touching the black soot part.
Yeah.
And then the ash part. Dad, you want to touch the ash?
No, I don't want to get burned.
Dad, it's not hot anymore.
I don't believe you.
It cooled down. Touch it. Dad, just touch it.
Get it in here. If you sneeze on your hands, don't touch all the paper towels.